In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an ebook in Figma using ready-made templates and simple customization tools. Start by opening Figma and going to the Community or Templates section. In the search bar, type ebook and browse through the available templates. Choose a template that matches the style and layout you want for your ebook. Once you've found a template you like, open it in Figma. If needed, duplicate the file so you can edit it freely without affecting the original version. Next, replace the placeholder text with your own content. Update headings, paragraphs, and page titles to match your ebook topic. You can also customize the design by changing colors, fonts, images, and graphics to fit your brand or personal style. If the template includes pages you don't need, simply delete them. You can also duplicate existing pages and create new sections for additional content. Continue editing each page until your ebook looks the way you want. Take some time to review the layout, spacing, and typography to ensure everything is consistent and easy to read. Once you're happy with the final design, select the pages you want to export and use the export option in Figma. Choose PDF as the export format and save the file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created an ebook in Figma and exported it as a PDF ready to share or publish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.